Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list stickers on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the easiest way to learn how to uh, list stickers is to simply search for stickers and get inspiration on how people are listing their stickers. So as you can see, we can go to a variety of stickers, and from here you can see that you would see a price, and those are some titles that you'd find, and basically what matters is the item detail. So as you can see, they are showing like uh, who's the producer or maker, some category, and basically here the description. And for the seller, it's just like given as many details as possible for this listing like to be more appealing, etc. And as you can see, those are just some other links of the seller, and here you'll find the shipping and the return policies. And the same you'd see for the other people. And basically, to list your sticker, you will be needing just to go to Shop Manager. And in case you didn't start a seller account, you will be needing to have a seller account first, then go to the shop manager. Here we go to listings and we add the listing. And basically, you will need just to go to category. And as you can see, this is the categories for uh, these such listings. You'd find like party decor or stickers. You can do whatever you'd like. So either like sticker, party decor, or whatever. And by adding your category, you'd go to physical items, of course. If you are the maker, you click I did, and you add all the other information. When did you make it? Of course, like made to order or whatever, and it's made from scratch or from purchased parts or whatever. And basically, after finishing everything, you will add the title as we say or we show. And basically, you'd find like many titles that you can get inspiration from. And you add picture and basically add price and inventory, and that's it. And you click just publish. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.